Hello students, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss a Senior Botany Blueprint 2022. So according to the blueprint, if we prepare, it saves time and we'll be scoring more marks in botany. So if we see Senior Botany, we have altogether 6 units: transport in plants, microbiology, genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, plants, microbes and human welfare. So these are all the units and chapters I have given here. So 2 marks, 4 marks, 8, and total how many we are getting from those units. So suppose if we take the first unit, transport in plants. So here the second lesson is completely deleted. So you remember that from second lesson we won't get any of the questions. So going to this marks, here 2 mark questions we get. Those 2 mark are from first lesson and fourth lesson, or first chapter, fourth chapter. Coming to 4 marks questions, 4 we are getting. From first chapter we are getting, third chapter, fourth chapter and sixth chapter, 4 marks questions we are getting. And from fifth chapter we are getting 8 marks 1. So total 28. So this you have to keep in mind. These are all the units and I have mentioned the chapters from which chapter how many marks we are getting questions and how many number of questions also. So prepare according to that and try to get more marks. Coming to the second unit, we have microbiology. So in microbiology, 7 and 8 chapters are there. So from 7th chapter we are getting a 2 mark question 1, and from 8th 4 mark question 1. So total 6 marks. And genetics, in genetic unit we are having 9th chapter. So from 9th only we are getting 1 2 mark question and 1 4 mark question. So total 6. And molecular biology, and from here we are getting 10th chapter is there. From that we are getting 2 mark questions and 1 4 mark question. So total 8 marks. And coming to biotechnology, here 11 and 12 chapters are there in this unit. From 11 and 12 chapter we are getting 2 mark questions, and from 12th chapter we are getting 1 4 mark question, and from 11th chapter we are getting 8 mark question. So total 16. Coming to plants, microbes and human welfare, here in this unit we are having 13th and 14th chapters. From 14th chapter we are getting 2 mark questions, and from 13th chapter we are getting 1 8 mark question. So according to that we are getting 12 marks in this unit. So all the 6 units you prepare well the chapters which are included and which are deleted. Don't waste your time on deleted. Focus on the chapters from where we are getting 2 marks, 4 marks and 8 marks. So if according to this blueprint if you prepare, easily you will be getting 60 out of 60. Thank you.